This is one of the top things to do in Nicaragua. Today we are going volcano boarding, aka one of the coolest things we've done in our 3 years of traveling. But first, we needed to meet up with our tour. What is up, guys? Good morning from León, Nicaragua. Today we are gonna do some volcano boarding. We're heading to Bigfoot Hostel.
They are a hostel, but they also do volcano boarding. And it's like $35 per person with an additional $10 entrance fee to the volcano. So it's a good deal.
Yeah, pumped. Honestly, don't even know anything that's gonna happen, but we're excited. How you feeling?
I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited. I've sandboarded pretty well before on steep hills, but I'm still nervous because it's an active volcano.
You're gonna be great. There we go. Take a tiny break to go to the bathroom. We had to pay $10 each to get into the national park. And then there's like the volcano that we have to climb, right? Which is like 600 meters up. So this is kind of like the last rest stop before that. And we're gonna head up and then
Here comes the rain.
The big question is, will the rain make it faster or slower? I feel like it'll make it faster.
Hopefully it doesn't change slowly at all.
Get that board.
Interesting.
I know, I've never seen anything like that. That's what we're riding down the mountain. Alrighty, begin the hike up. Should be about an hour and then 2 minutes down because we just like use these boards and race down. Pretty pumped. They say the rain actually does make it slower maybe because it's sticky, but we'll see.
That makes me feel better.
Yeah, Rika's scared about just flying down. I think it's gonna be.
I think I'm just scared about wiping out.
Look at all that volcanic soil, rocks. This is incredible.
Actually, I mean, like,
First step of the hike done. We'll rest, hoping that the rain doesn't come. Alrighty, we made it to like the first like plateau of the hike. It's so windy.
So windy, it's raining, it's like slapping us in the face.
Said the lava, or the eruption's right there, and the lava ran right down here. It's kind of scary. Clouds are coming in.
We made it to the top, now it's time for directions.
Should be good. I think we're all gonna wait for the storm to pass to slide down.
Yep.
This is the top of Mount, what is this, Cerro Negro?
Cerro Negro.
Black Hill.
It's gonna be great.
It's so cool. Mine is so big. Is the ground warm? Wow, he said the ground's warm. Wow. The ground's just like emanating heat. That's insane. It's a straight up volcano. That's crazy.
Okay, we're in warm right here. That's so wild. It's like literally warm. That's so weird. cool. Woo! Okay. Cerro Negro!
So we're walking down to the launch site. It's gonna be insane. I'm so excited. It's so nice. I think that's a good mix. Yeah, I'm just pumped. Oh, that was insane. That was absurd. You go pretty fast. Oh my gosh. I just want to do that again. That was insane. Next person should be Reyka, so I'm gonna get her coming in. That was crazy, actually. It was honestly like a 2-minute ride. Like, it's not just you're done. You actually get to enjoy it a lot. That was super cool. Yeah, Reyka said she was gonna take her time, and the other person's coming down before her. But it's okay. She was a bit nervous. Oh, I see her. I see her. Yeah! Let's go! Oh!
Not expecting that!
Hey, you did it! Let's go!
A little bit faster. That was so fun though. I kept getting stuck up there.
You can go fast.
Yeah, I wish I went faster. Honestly, I feel like I could have if I started faster at the beginning,
Yeah,
but,
and the rocks are, I feel like, pretty forgiving because it's just...
but I got nervous. And so I kept my control. And I kind of regret it.
I kind of wiped out. I was going so fast.
You're going so fast you wiped
Yeah,
out.
a little bit.
My shoes are full of pebbles.
Oh, same.
That was worth that obnoxiously rough hike.
That was really good. That was so fun.
I'm currently the fastest, guys.
Dang. Yeah, that's worthy of bragging about. The way they can tell is they have a radar gun. These people right here, they're getting the speed.
Shape the man I am, 'cause I've called the darkness.
Soil is really crazy. It's just like so classic volcanic, you know? It's black and it's like so porous. I've never seen it. If it erupted in 1999, I thought it would just be all solid rock. After a bouncing, partying bus ride back to León, we got ready for lots more adventures here in Nicaragua. Make sure to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video on our journey to 50 countries, and we'll see you in the next one.
And the way